What's good, Good Eats 420? I'm Bassdrop Keys, your friendly neighborhood Negro, and welcome to the brand new Good Eats 420 channel. In today's video, we're going to unbox the brand new rebranded Magical Butter Machine. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it! Alright guys, Bassdrop Keys here. I'm your friendly neighborhood Negro, and we're back with another video. So guys, real quickly, I want to thank everybody that's already subscribed to this brand new channel. I know you guys are used to me actually showing these videos on the Bassdrop Keys, your friendly neighborhood Negro channel. Unfortunately, on February the 5th, that channel got deleted by YouTube, but it's okay. What we've done is we've gone ahead and we put all the Good Eats 420 videos right here on this brand new channel. Also, I have 4 other channels that you might want to look into. I'm going to leave them always featured on the side of this channel right here. If you're on your phone, go ahead and hit the channel tab. You'll see my other 4 channels right there. Please subscribe to those. Right here is where you're going to be able to find all the Good Eats 420 videos. If you guys don't know, this whole series is sponsored by the Magical Butter Machine. We really appreciate the Magical Butter for sponsoring me. As always, if you ever need anything off the Magical Butter website, you can always use my name, Bassdrop Keys, to get 20% off any order. Every video that's on the Good Eats 420 YouTube channel, or the goodeats420.com cannabis food blog, or the Good Eats 420 page on Facebook, every video is always sponsored by the Magical Butter Machine. We really appreciate Magical Butter for being our #1 sponsor. It really means a lot to me. Make sure if you guys order anything off the website, get your discount. 20% off by using my name, Bassdrop Keys, as the coupon code. So without any further ado, I think I've already explained everything. What we're going to be doing today is we're starting off season 2. Since we've already done like maybe 60 videos through the Good Eats 420 playlist. If you actually go and look at the videos, like I said, all the videos had way more views than they do now. But since that channel, my channel got deleted almost a week ago, all those views are gone. So we're starting all over. All the videos that you guys have already seen, they're up now. All of them are up. If you need anything, just make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. I'll take care of whatever you need. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be starting season 2, and we're starting season 2 with a bang. Magical Butter has actually rebranded themselves, come out with a whole new format, come out with a whole new color scheme, and added some more products to the site. If you want to check out anything that they have available, click the link that's in the description, and it will definitely take you over to magicalbutter.com. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be unboxing 2 Magical Butter Master Bundles. The reason why they sent me 2 is because I'm going to be giving one of them away. If you're not a member of my group, I have a group on Facebook, DYD420. We really have 50,000 members in our group. They have us at 40,000 because Facebook don't know what the hell they're doing. But we have 50,000 members in our group, and I would love for you to be a part. So if you're interested in winning what I'm about to show you right now, a Master Bundle set from Magical Butter, you have a chance to win it. Once this channel hits 1,000 subscribers, I believe as I'm doing this video, we're at 420 or 450 or something like that, which I think is really good, being that I just put up the videos and we just getting started. So that's great. So it only should be a couple of days for us to hit 1,000 subscribers. When we hit 1,000 subscribers on this channel, the Good Eats 420 channel, I'm actually going to give away a Master Bundle, a Magical Butter Master Bundle, which includes, you'll see it in a minute, the machine itself, the filters, the spatulas, the decarb box, everything together. We're going to be giving one away inside the group. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you have subscribed to this channel, Good Eats 420 YouTube channel, and come join the group DYD420 on Facebook. The link will be in the description. Everything will be in the description. As always, it's not too hard to find. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. What you're going to see right now is we're actually going to go ahead and we're going to unbox the Magical Butter Master Bundle. As I said, there's 2 of them. One's for me that I'm going to be using to make content on the site, and one we're going to be giving away. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Here's the unboxing right now. Here we go. All right, so we got a big box here, and we're going to do some unboxing, so let's do it. Whoa. 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 Yes, indeed. The new Magical Butter machines. With the decarb box. That's one of the filters. Another one of the filters. Edible molds. Spatulas. There's the box for the spatulas. The Master Bundle. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box. All right, so we have the new Magical Butter machine. The new Magical Butter logo. All right, so we have the filter, another filter. We have the Love Glove, so we can pick up hot things. And of course, the owner's manual and owner's cookbook. Power cord. Look at that. New colors, new logo. So you have the new logo imprinted in the machine now. We got the 1 hour oil, 2 hour butter, 4 hour tincture, 8 hour blend and clean. Yes, indeed. The new Magical Butter. Yes, indeed. Alright guys, so I just got finished showing you an unboxing of the Magical Butter Master Bundle. One more time, if I haven't said it enough, I will be giving one of these away when this channel hits 1,000 subscribers. It shouldn't be a long time, it should really be a matter of days, but once we hit 1,000 subscribers, inside my group DYD420, I'm going to be giving one of the master bundles away. I want to thank you guys for all the support on the other channel. I really appreciate it, but now that that channel is gone, it really would help me a lot if you subscribe to this channel and my other 4 channels. Obviously, this one, Good Eats 420, is for the Good Eats 420 videos. Bass Drop Keys YFNN is where you're going to find all the cannabis, dabbing, smoking, vaping stuff. That's where that goes. Bass Drop Militia is for all of my music. The Hustle Militia is for me to show you how to get your hustle on. Uber, Lyft, Photoshop tips, how to build a channel, how to design a show, all kind of stuff I'm going to be showing you in that channel for sure. And Bass Drop Keys is for the food reviews. So guys, thank you very much. I really appreciate you. If you have any questions about the Magical Butter Machine, go ahead and leave them in the comment section of this video or any video. I do answer all the questions myself. Remember, if you need anything from magicalbutter.com, whether it's a machine, butter, or spatulas, or decarb box, anything that you order off of the site, use my name, Bass Drop Keys, so you can get a discount, 20% off. You can look forward to brand new Good Eats 420 videos coming up in the next 24 to 48 hours. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for the support. Until next time, guys, peace and good eats.